I just wanted to write to you and ask whether some areas of the teacher identified personal development could be improved, and I'm just going to highlight two of them. Certainly when you get to your dashboard and you click on your maintenance and you go to your registered personal development, these, okay, drop down accordion menus close. I just wondered whether you could prevent them from closing every time you click on one of these. The left hand side closes, and I'd rather if I click on registered PD, the other three would or these would remain open. Now when you get to add in, okay, your teacher identified activity, you write an activity name here, and you can see that a little rollover comes up. If I go in here and I wait a couple of seconds, I presume it'll probably come up as well. So a little text box and a little text to tell you what is happening. However, down here, when you roll over any of the standards, there's no text box that comes up at all. I can't believe that. At no point. So even if you had a tick to expand or just a simple rollover box to tell you what the standard is, it'd be certainly a lot easier. And certainly if you're on the phone or your phone trying to do this at a staff meeting, or you've been somewhere and you're trying to record it, it's certainly different than running back to your computer and trying to find out what the standard is, because you don't have the papers in front of you all the time. If everything was handy in front of you, okay, it will roll over text pop up and certainly improve the ease of the descriptors or trying to record them. And then it also allows you then also to use some of the language from the standard to write in here what you've actually done. Currently that cannot be done because you have to download your descriptors, or you're on the run and you're trying to do it. The other thing is certainly for the visually impaired. There's almost I know there's no audio here, but not that you could possibly do it. Click a little button and just it'd speak to you type of thing, but that's certainly something I'd like to see, being in my job for special kids and certainly for adults. So yes, so just a little text box, a pop-up box. I can't believe it's not there. And for the rest of it, certainly the other one was that if you do tick a standard, maybe you could record here somewhere how many times I've ticked this one or how many times I've focused on it. Maybe there was some here that you'd, over time, you said, oh, well, I haven't done that and I haven't refocused on that, so maybe some of these. Just record over your time. I mean, this is over a period of time doing your 50 hours. So, well, I haven't looked at that, and it certainly makes a better teacher, or more proficient, certainly heading towards, areas of highly accomplished to the lead teacher. So yes, a rollover would be really nice, and it'd make it a lot easier, and certainly for staff who are going to begin or are in the process of those who are early form teachers type of thing, to get used to the system. Alright, thank you. Yep, little rollover and a little bit of text would be certainly fantastic.